Foxit AI Assistant helps you instantly define and clarify complex document language without leaving your PDF. I've been sent a new legal requirements bulletin, and I need to update our compliance policy quickly. Googling every clause wastes time, so I'll get clear explanations right inside this PDF. First, I'll use Define and Clarify to break dense language into practical meaning. I select the clause, then run Define and Clarify from the floating toolbar. AI chat opens with my selection, so I send it and review the explanation. From here, I can reuse the response in a few different ways without retyping anything. I can copy it to my clipboard for an email or quick note. I can add it as a comment so reviewers can see the clarification in context. If I want a different angle, I regenerate the answer in one click. And when I need to share it, I export the response from my records. Next, I'll type a follow-up prompt to understand how this clause affects operations. The follow-up gives me actionable guidance I can turn into policy language. You can also launch Define and Clarify from the ribbon under AI Chat's More Tools. For a foreign language PDF, I switch the output language before I run the clarification. I can also translate a paragraph on the spot, so I'm not guessing at meaning. Or, even quicker, I can translate the entire document by clicking Translate Document in the AI Assistant tab. Once I understand the requirement, I'll rewrite our internal policy so everyone can follow it. I open our compliance policy draft and select the paragraph that needs simplification. With Enhance Writing, I simplify the wording while keeping the original intent. I set a custom tone to comprehensible, choose a length, then generate the rewrite. To update the PDF, I use the smart command Edit Text to replace the paragraph. It's super important that there are no spelling or grammar errors in this document. I'll run a quick spelling and grammar pass to polish the final copy I just added. After reviewing the suggestion, I replace the sentence using smart commands so formatting stays consistent. Finally, I'll add a right justified update header to every page so readers know it's current. Now this document's ready to share with everyone. Want more ways to work smarter with your documents? Explore Foxit AI Assistant at foxit.com/AI. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.